Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm so happy to see you again. I will talk today about the trading of the today, which is a 24 of September 2025. Today is a very challenging today because there is a challenge in the direction of the market. So, how can we deal with these challenges? As you can see, there was an intention of the market to move in a reversal pattern, in a big reversal pattern, as you can see. Sorry, sorry. As you can see here, I will change it to 15 minutes to see it very clearly. There was a challenge here. Mhm. Okay, there was a challenge here. Yes, after that, the market moving down in another challenge. This is meaning that the market is moving down. Okay, but what is the importance that you should look for to see if what is the direction of the market? I want to show you something which is very important. As you can see, the market is sweeping of this low. This is a fair value gap. We will delete it because the market doesn't doesn't respect it. And this movement of the yesterday, I will explain it in a video after this video because there is a problem in this trading of the yesterday. I want to show you that the market is sweep this, okay, and then I will change its color to this, okay, and then moving upward, and then sweep this also, sweep this high, sweep this high. And how can we see if the market is this sweep and this market structure shift, or what is it? In that area, we don't know if the market is will continue to moving down or moving upward. I want to show you the scenario. I want to show you the scenario. The market is moving from this area to this area to this area, and then maybe moving towards this. We don't know. Okay, towards this switch point. Okay, because you can regard this as a sweep and this market structure shift, and then return to this area, and this is area is regarded as a black hat block or turtle soup, then push the market towards this switch point. This is the first scenario that I put it in my attention. The second scenario is the market is moving down. Okay, it's moving to this area, then this area, then this area, then this area. Okay, and after that, the market, as you can see, moving this area to then sweep this area, then sweep to this area, then moving forward, then sweep this area, then make a market structure shift, and then moving to this area, then to this area, then sweep, then moving down, which is more complicated movement. You can see what is that? What is that? I want to explain this for you. The market sweep this, then moving upwards with this, reaching this fair value gap and this order block. Okay, this is the best scenario. This is the order block. This order block is very effective because this order block is very effective, and it is also the valid order block because it associated with fair value gap and market structure shift. Okay, so it is valid. So the market return, sweep this high, reaching this order block, then then and sweep this high also, and sweep this high also. I will move this and sweep this high also. Sorry, this high, sweep this high, then make a market structural shift. Make a market structural shift here. Market structural shift. So then moving down, then I return to this area, this order block. Then we are in this area, we move to the lower time frame to see what will happen in this area, what will occur, what we will see in this area. In this area, we see that the market is rejected by this candle first, sweeping this double top. This one, top, this is double top. So there is a liquidity. The market moving upward, sweeping this double top and reaching this order block and this order block, then rejected. After its rejection, the market moving rapidly with two fair value gap. You can see this is the first fair value gap. This is the second fair value gap. Sorry, this is inverted fair value gap. This is the first fair value gap. This is the second fair value gap. And make market structure shift. Market structure shift. At that time, I saw these first fair value gap, this second fair value gap, and this inverted fair value gap. So once the market revisit this area, I begin to sell because it is a valid movement. This is sweep, this is double top, this is order block, then fair value gap first, second fair value gap, and inverted fair value gap. I put my sell here, okay, above this point or after sweeping, and our stop loss is above this two fair value gap here, okay, and waiting. The market moving down, reaching this the first target, I take it and then return the market again, reaching this area, rejected, then moving down, then moving upward, then rejected, then I sell in these areas again. I sell again in these areas. You can see on 3 minutes also. You can see how the market structure working. Okay, you can see here also how the market structure working. So I sell, this is the market structure, this is a rejection area, this is the second rejection area. I sell all in this area and take out after passing through this line, which is the sweeping the low. But the market is targeting more and more lower, making these complicated market structure. You can see it. You can see it. This is a complicated, I because it is so complicated. So you can see it. So at any time it changes direction. Okay, after that I'm waiting, I'm out of the market, I'm waiting, I want to see what is the direction of the market, what is the target of this market. Once the market passing through this low again, I enter sell. You can see here, this is the inverted fair value gap, this is fair value gap. Once the market passing through this area, I at that time making this fair value gap on lower time frame. You can see how the market moving here, making a market structure shift with a big momentum. I sell in this area with and put our stop loss here and waiting and take profit. Okay, I take a profit here in this area and go out. At that time, I change to 1 minute to see what will happen. I sell in this area first, and I sell also in this area again. Again in this area I sell. You can see this liquidity, this liquidity area, okay, and this order block associated with this fair value gap, one fair value gap, two fair value gap, and market structure shift here, then return the price accumulating, then return to sweep, and after sweep in this area, I once the market passes through this line, I begin to sell in this area, sell, inject it, and moving down and go out here. It is a very beautiful setting, and it's very profitable. And also, this is an opportunity to sell, but I didn't enter in this area. That is opportunity. This is order block. This is fair value gap, and this is market structure. And in the direction, directing towards this daily fair value gap. I want to show you. This is a daily fair value gap. It is a big daily fair value gap. The market directed towards it. Okay, so it is very profitable. So the scenario that the price will move upward is false, and the scenario that the price moving down is the correct, and we make a profit from it. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm so happy to see you again, and bye bye.